Have you ever wondered why some cheeses have holes in them? It's a curious question that makes cheese even more interesting. Let's uncover this cheesy mystery together. The journey of cheese starts with milk. During the cheese-making process, bacteria are added to the milk to start fermentation. This fermentation is crucial for giving cheese its unique texture and flavor. But where do the holes come from? The holes, also known as eyes, are formed by carbon dioxide gas produced by bacteria. These friendly bacteria, like Propionibacterium, consume lactic acid in the cheese and release carbon dioxide bubbles, creating those distinctive holes. Not all cheeses have holes. Cheeses like Emmental and Gruyère are well known for their holes. The size and number of holes can vary depending on factors like the type of bacteria used in the aging process. So next time you see a cheese with holes, you'll know the secret behind them. Thanks for watching and enjoying this cheesy fact with us. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We post new videos every day.